Hello, I'm Alexander from Trading Price Action on Futures.com. It's April 13 of 2015 and this is the daily recap. For this recap I am using a 2-minute chart to preserve some nuances of my trading strategy. Took only one trade today, but first I wanted to look at last Friday. No trades for Friday. There was only one possible setup on the day. And that was sitting right here. The only direction to look for on Friday was up. We got eventually a break of a. Well, let me look at my my other charts. It's the 46. 46 level. Yes, this was the level for that day. And that was a major support level. The trend was up. Price made an attempt to go lower, failed that attempt, got up again. It made a W. At the time on the trading chart there was still momentum was still down. We got the break of this this resistance level back up with a retest. I decided to wait for the pullback to my entry area. That was sitting a few ticks, almost 9 ticks below that. So I was not willing to take that much risk on that setup, and it was basically the only valid setup for the day. And from there on, price just went up with no possible re-entry on that specific move. So no trades for that day. Let's move on to the trading day of today. Only one trade setup. We could see at the beginning of the trading day that we had a low in place, the support area. Let me look here at my higher time frame. At the open of the trading room, price was in a downtrend. Downtrend was here. Price then from there on made an attempt to go higher. I think we passed. No, we didn't pass the setup. We were looking to short the market because there was a resistance level in place. I think, yes. After this this setup, market broke the resistance level back up, made a retest of the area. No possible entry on the trading chart. Let me look how that that looked on the trading chart. We spotted the area, but there was no entry possible. We needed a second retest to get in the move, and there was simply no retest. The only possible entry was sitting above 73. It was above this area. Price was all had already broke this higher high up, so that was out of the that was into an area that into a danger area. We had to pull that that stop way down so that price didn't come back to take us out. So we had to leave that alone. From there on, price broke a support level back down. From there on, let me look at the charts, because I think we passed a setup short right here, because of the fact that we were trading nearby a support area that was sitting at the 55 area. That was this level, so we couldn't trade into there. There was no space, so we had to leave that alone. When we finally had to break off that area, price decided to pull back what we were expecting, but after that it wasn't giving us the valid entry per our trading rules. A big move down from there on. You can see it here on the candles, without giving us an opportunity to get in. So we had to pass that setup. After that move, the only valid setup was sitting here at with an entry. I think it was 95. Yes, 91.95. We had the pullback to our area of interest. We had the valid setup on the trading chart, so we had to just take the setup. Took 2 contracts off at 15 ticks, and the last it was a scratch for 2 or 3 ticks in profit. The price couldn't come down. I think I had my target at 47 or 40. Yes. So for today, only one setup. Trade 1 plus 15 plus 3. Outcome plus, sorry, ticks. That is the equivalent of 330 bucks for today. After this, we closed the room at about 6 o'clock my time. After that, price got up. If you look at this move, it is a good move, but most of the time at lunch break you will see some choppy price action. So for today, only one setup plus 33 ticks for today. So if you like this, just subscribe and take a look at the website, and we'll see you back all tomorrow.